Hello everyone. So this is your GK class. Today we will start a new lesson. So let me see what we will learn today. Today we will see the plant habitats. So first of all, let us see what is a plant habitat. Everything, every living things need a home. A plant is a living thing. It needs air, water, soil and sunlight to live. So it lives where it can get what it needs. The place that a plant lives in is called a habitat. There are many different types of habitat that make a home for a plant. For a human also, they need a special type of habitat. So let us see about the plant. So today we will see the different type of habitats of a plant. So children, can you tell me where you have seen this type of plant? This is a cactus. And can you tell me where we can find this cactus? Correct? We can find this cactus in a desert. So we will write here a desert. DESERT. So next, this like a banyan tree. Where we can we find this banyan tree? So here is the answer, that is a warm areas. For a banyan, it need a warm area to grow and survive. So here we will write a warm area, WARM, warm areas. And this is a lotus. Yes, correct. Either it's a lotus or a lily. But let us see where we can find where this water lily can grow. It can be grow on a pond. So we will write here pond, POND, pond. Next, fourth figure. So this is a what is it? This is a pine tree. So where we can find the pine tree? We can find this pine tree in a hilly areas. You know, because of the leaf, it can survive in a hilly areas. So we will write the spelling hilly areas. Next, what is it? It's a, I think it's a coconut tree. So where we can find the coconut tree? Coconut tree needs a salty water. So it will grow on a beaches, sea beaches. It is grow on a sea beaches. Next is a very dense forest, and here some water is also present. That means it's a swamp area. SWAMP, swamp area. That means water is also present on the soil. So this is a swamp area. Children, you also write this answer in your book and copy also. After a completion of a third chapter, let's we move on the fourth. That is related to this, but it is quite difficult, quite different from the third chapter. It is about the strange plant. In our earth, there are 298,000 species of plants. Different types of plants are present. Some plants produce beautiful and pleasant smelling flowers like a rose, lily, and some produce nutrients rich fruits, and some have a medicinal properties, but some are totally strange. So let us know about this plant. So look at this picture. It is look like a stone, na? That means describing a living stone, because the plant look exactly like a pebble or a stone. You can see in the picture, it is look like a stone. So what is this? What is the name of this picture? This is a lithop. What is spelling? LITHOP. It's a lithop. It is look like a stone. So let's move on the second picture. Children, do you have remember this type of plant? It is present in our school ground. Have you seen this one near the baseball ground? Lots of plants are there. This is a touch me not plant. When we touch this plant, it will feel shy, and after a few seconds it will be close. So it is a touch me not plant. Its leaves fold up when you touch them. So what is the name of this plant? It's a mimosa. What is the spelling? Mimosa. Mimosa pudica is a Pudica. It's a pudica. So let us see, children, what is the name of this tree? This is look like a bottle, so it's a bottle tree. What is the spelling? Bottle. It's a bottle tree. So this bottle tree can store 300 liter of water and live over 500 years. So this bottle tree is very special, no? So where it can be found? It can be found in Australia. Different countries it is available, but basically it is belong to the Australia. Next, let us see about this carnivorous plant. Carnivorous, that means it eats the insects. It's a carnivorous plant which eats small insects and animals as a food. If any animals or insects, if they sit nearby this case, then and there it's close the door, and very soon the insects will die. So this is a pitcher plant. It's eat a insects or a animal. So what is the name of this? It's a Venus fly trap. What is the spelling? Venus, Venus, fly, fly, trap, trap. It's a Venus fly trap. Next we have a here, it's a ball shaped plant. What is the name of this ball shape? It's a baseball plant. What is the spelling? Base, baseball plant. Where we can found this baseball plant? We can found this baseball plant in South Africa. It is look like a baseball, exactly the same shape of a baseball. Different size and shapes are available. So this is a very different, very strange plant. It is a baseball plant. So here we have learned some of the strange plants. So many strange plants are available, but here few are there. So you must read out, you must learn these are. And here I give you the homework. So you draw this one. This is your homework, children. You also draw this figure like that, and you write where we can find this plant. So here it is drawn. You also draw in your copy and write the answer. This is your homework. Thank you, children. We will meet on the next lesson. Good.